Hi, thank you for joining our channel Celtic Curry Central. So, would you like to tell our viewers a little bit about yourself?
Hi, my name is Ranadhir, and I'm doing as an associate auditor in India. Like I have completed my bachelor's in commerce, and I came for my master's here in Ireland.
When did you come to Ireland to do your masters? How long has it been?
So it's been 4 years. I'm in Ireland now. So I came in 2019 September. So it's been 4 years.
And can you share some challenges of like when you moved to Ireland? What did you find different?
The first thing would be accommodation because like I struggled a bit like finding a good accommodation because like uh, some are like really small and like some are really expensive as a student like has become for the first time because we don't have a part-time in our hand and with all that stuff and coming for the first time there's other thing like you don't have those references and everything to get good accommodation from the landlord, so we have to do a bit of house hunting in the beginning, so that was really hard for me.
Now, coming about your profession, now auditing and finance or accounting and finance is a very unique course, I'd say, because people who come to Ireland generally tend to go towards IT or nursing or healthcare, for example. In your course, is it the same as compared to IT in terms of job or employment opportunities, or how would you say that?
So as you're saying like IT and other things, wherever there's like big industry for that, there's an industry for finance as well because like every company needs a finance person or like as the companies grow they need auditors and stuff, so it's really important like to have finance people. So in that sense like Ireland has really good finance market, and being completing our chartered accountancy course and everything, like it gives you really good scope and the industry you can move into, and it has like very wide range of opportunities out there.
Yeah. And the visa, I'm guessing that's completely different. So I'm from IT, so you would have the standard process compared to all the other employability options, be it for construction or nursing, where you would go from being a student in stamp 2 to stamp 1, be it critical or general work permit. What would be the case for you?
So for people who are doing chartered accountancy exams, it's a bit different. So we have like stamp 1A, which is for only for accountants or like people who are like preparing for the exams. It's for 3 years. You have to renew it every year, and like for that, like the basic conditions is you have to be giving the exams, and you have to qualify those every year, and like to keep that visa stamp as well.
And do you get like a PR immediately after you complete your 3 years?
No, the thing is like after 1A, you again have to go to stamp 1, do it for 2 years, and then you'll get your stamp 4. If you have stamp 1A, it still counts towards your 5 years of residence, which is mandatory for passport. So if you want to get stamp 4, it's a bit of lengthy process, but for passport it still counts.
In terms of job, is it different the way you work, or like tell me about your day? Is it different from being in your home country and from being here? Like, is the job experience different?
While coming to day-to-day job, the thing is like it's really very wide, the roles we have. So we have tax, audit, corporate finance, and like a lot of them. The one I'm doing, it's audit. So even in audit, like it's FS and like finance services and like other companies, tech and everything. So for tech people, like we have uh, a lot of travel sometimes. We have to go to the client sites while auditing and uh, get in touch with the people, like financial people there. Sometimes like we even get chance to talk to the CEOs and CFOs, so it's really good that way. We can really build connections, and the general work thing like, and it's really good, like you can visit different companies and you can better know like how the business like works and all. That's I think like that's a really good opportunity or like advantage you have in audit.
So you're a man of numbers. So how do you manage your expense in being in Ireland?
uh, I think like it's not that easy to manage expenses in Ireland. So I would say I would just like keep aside or like pay the major things first. then in the rest, I would just say I would manage bills, but like there's no such plan that I would use or like or put something aside like for any specific expense. But yeah, I'll just pay the major ones first, because like the rent and bills, those are the major ones. Because like it would amount to 30 or 40% of your salary sometimes if you're a beginner. So it's really a huge amount. So sort those out first and like then go for the rest.
All right. And on a lighter note, is there something that you would miss being here from your home country?
I would say the festivals. The festivals would be the major thing I would miss.
And what advice would you give to any other auditors or someone who's aspiring to be in the finance industry?
So for someone who is like really interested in finance and like getting their audit qualification, I think Ireland would be a really good place, because like we have a lot of opportunities for graduate roles. That they think with the graduate roles, like they take you up, like they give you study support, and they pay for your exams. So it's really good that way, and the company really supports you in qualifying, and you also have like the first-hand experience, actual experience in audit or in tax. So that really helps you to clear the exams in the first go. So Ireland is like a really good place. Like if you want to like boost yourself in like financial roles, it's a good place to start.
All right. Thank you so much for giving your time to give like great insights. And if you have any questions that you would like to know more about in finance or accounting, feel free to comment below and let us know your thoughts about this video. And since you're into taxes, would you mind doing my taxes as well?
No.